between first thing is how my things are
Shipment date,
how
shipment
my
from
schedule delivery is deviating. Yeah, how my schedule delivery is deviating from my promised delivery.
uh,
Okay.
uh,
So I don't see any difference in delivery. Okay, I think we had not saved it. No worries, we will do it now. Let us wait for Ismail.
Ismail join, I think.
I'm in.
Okay, here, yeah, Ismail, can you able to see my screen here?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, so yeah, so yesterday we did something. We tried to generate a column. Okay, we tried to generate a column. So can you see this error?
Yeah,
What is
expression,
this error? Expression
expression.
error. The
Yeah.
column ID of the data of the table wasn't found. It is ID. So this is
Okay.
the steps. Okay, so here there is no ID. This is the source. Okay, source is this. This is the path. Can you see the path? Okay. So this all you can see in the Power Query editor. Since this data is not present, since the data is not present, what I will do, I will delete this from model. I will right click on it and oh, there is no delete option. Oh yes, there is delete. So whichever things that we don't require, we can simply delete it. Okay, guys. Now what we are trying to do, we are trying to find the difference of from delivery to schedule. Okay. So this will help us to know many things. First of all, difference in delivery. What I said, which vendors, which countries, shipment fulfillment, manufacturers, which items, which brands, packaging, molecule and test type, dosage. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I will try this by doing what? By doing a custom function. And the name I will give. Okay. Now what I will do, I will delete, I will derive from which date? Delivered to client date minus schedule delivery date. I will just click over here in the available column and I will do the insert. No
Okay.
syntax error has been detected. Okay, right? My data has been generated, but what is the data type? Data type, it has not fixed anything. So I will give it as whole number. Okay.
Okay.
Now what I will do, I will close and apply. Okay.
Hmm.
Now I guess my difference in delivery has been generated.
How it is coming starting from 000?
See, starting from 00, that means my data has not been sorted.
Okay, okay. We have to sort it out.
Yeah, so my data has not been sorted or it is sorted. It has been sorted in some different manner, like from delivery date. It has been generated. So you don't need to pay so much attention here
Hmm.
because in whichever the order my date is there, we will try to do some different things. Now Yesterday, I have shown you like from where we can change the size of this canvas. Can any of you guys point that out to me?
Size of the canvas.
Yes, size of the canvas.
We never learned, sir.
Drag.
Same thing for you, Ismail?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is called the canvas. Okay.
Okay.
Now we if we try to change the theme of canvas, there are many ways we can do the uh, try and change the theme of canvas. Okay. So first thing is that in this visualization pane, you guys remember. So this from today and tomorrow, based on today and tomorrow class, I will take a assessment. Okay. So because why this assessment? Because you we need to prepare you for the interviews. Okay, so that's why we will introduce a quick what can I say, assessment. So every Saturday, in the initial hours, there will be assessment.
Sure.
Okay, so in that way, but the whatever you learn, you will learn very quickly, and it will help in you build your confidence in front of the recruiter. Okay, guys.
Sure.
Yeah.
So first of all, whatever I will say in here, like just give me a moment. I need to close this. Yeah. So visualization pane, under visualization there is two things without clicking anything. One is build visual. Under this build visual, there are many things, many tools that you are having. Another one is format your report page. So this canvas or this pane is called report page. I will click on here.
Saurabh, I
And
think Ismail want to ask something. Yes.
okay, yeah, please tell me, Ismail. Hello.
No, sir. No, sir. Nothing.
Okay, I
Nothing. Just
think
it
you
got,
have
yeah,
mistakenly.
mistaken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So under this format page, one, two, three. So what is the first page? First page is the page name. Allow use as tooltip of, allow Q&A of, allow use as tooltip, that we will see later. After that, canvas setting is there. Here you can see 16 is to 9, that is 720p pixel. Under this there is 4 is to 3. When we do 4 is to 3, my canvas look like this. So this is the border. From this border, we cannot go beyond this border. Afterwards, there is letter. This is the letter size. Afterwards, there is tooltip. This is something advanced,
it's very small.
advanced thing. Tooltip. We will learn it later. And the last one is custom. In this custom, you can do whatever you want. So what I will do, I will give as full HD, like 1080 by 1920. From this size, from here only you can change the size of your canvas or report page. Now clear?
Got it.
Now can you see the scroll bar is there? Okay,
Yes. Yeah.
that means it has been zoomed out. But here you can see it is 100% zoom menu. That means it is at optimal position. Now, to get its original optimal position of the full HD, we will click over here, this small button, fit to page. Once we do that, my page gets adjusted to whatever the size. So suppose what happens generally, this is the good practice or best practice. We always try to maintain our canvas size uniform. What we'll do, we always try to maintain our canvas size minimum. First one is canvas size Same, right, guys? Second one is color theme should be uniform. Third one is design should be uniform, right? We will work on these points. Canvas size should be same. Now, what is meant by canvas size? It is this canvas settings. Color theme should be same. Now, what is color theme? There are couple of color palettes. Like when you see Netflix, you guys have Netflix, right, or Prime Video?
No, I don't.
Okay, I forgot. You don't see any of these things.
Correct, sort of.
Okay, so let me tell you, Netflix and Amazon or any of do you have Facebook, right?
Yeah.
So what is the theme of Facebook? It is bluish.
Yes.
Facebook or
Yes,
Meta. It
sir.
is kind of bluish,
Yes,
right?
Luis. Yep.
Have you? But if you see everything in your in Facebook, from font to banner to everything else, it is kind of eye soothing, or it is not out of the ordinary, not contrasting colors from the original theme. That's what we are trying to build here in this Power BI dashboard. We always wanted to use some color palettes, and those color palettes, under those color palettes only we will we will build our dashboard. Our dashboard should not be other than our color palettes. It should not be contrast to our color palettes, and it should always color should be soothing to our eyes. So, like if you see some darker color or contrasting color in your windows or in your app or anywhere else, it is not that much of eye pleasing. Am I correct? Am I correct, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right? See, whatever things you are having trouble understanding, you just give me, or you just say that please go slow, please go fast, right? Whatever you want. So,
Sure, sir.
so canvas size, canvas background is there. Oh, nice. Canvas background. What is this canvas background? Canvas background is something as what is the color? Color is white. Now, what if I give this color? Now transparency is 100. What if I, oh, can you see this magic? We can change the color transparency according to our theme. Whatever theme you use, we can change the color transparency. So this thing we will learn in UI UX. Wallpaper. There is also wallpaper is there. Whatever wallpaper you can use. Filter pane. So this is the pane where we are having this filter pane. Okay. So we don't actually work on this work over here generally. Okay. And filter cards. We don't actually work on these two areas as of now, but we will see in future if anything is needed. Okay, so clear, guys, how to do the changes in report page?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Yeah, so I think I will ask this kind of question in future. Okay, so please be aware.
Sure.
Okay, so now what I have got my difference in delivery. Okay, so what are the things that I can build? Okay, which vendors? Let us try those. Which vendors? So this is my clustered bar chart. Okay, we will see the guys what is happening. What is the vendor? Vendor should be in. See everything. What we are trying to picture. We are trying to picture our vendor over here in this side, in the right hand side, and against this vendor, my data should generate. So in y-axis, my vendor should go there, and in x-axis, uh, guys, give me one moment, okay? Just just be there. I am coming. Sorry, guys, for that. So my vendor should be on my y-axis, and let us check what is the difference in delivery. Oh, interesting. Now, can you guys tell me why it is coming as this? Hello.
Yeah.
In the
So by actually vendor, it is asking for the difference in
Delivery.
delivery. Okay. So Aurobindo Pharma, this pharmaceutical company, there it is not that much the delivery date or like something like.
One thing you guys have to understand
Okay.
that my this is my y-axis. Okay, so I will give you as few things. Whenever our data, if it is numerical, okay, Power BI always tries to do something. Can you see it is a negative side? Oh my god, what is this? My Power BI or Power BI app, it is try to do something. Power BI is so intelligent. Power BI with numerical things, Power BI try to do so many things. One thing it can try to do the sum. Okay, it is always try to do the sum. But according to our uh, according to our use, we will use average. Okay, what we will use? We will use average. We will use percentage. We will use percentage of total. Okay, or we will not use any summarization. Got this point,
Okay.
guys? Any problem understanding this thing?
Yeah. Do not do summarization means what you wanted to explain.
Okay. So this is a use case that I will show you guys. What is mean by do not do summarization? Do not do summarization means you do not do anything of this above. Not sum, not average, not percentage or not percentage of grand total. We want the data point as it is. Okay.
Okay.
So if I say let us try this Mirio. Okay, where it is. Okay, let us try this Miro. It is taking time. Just forget it. Okay. So what happens is that my this difference in delivery. Can you see it is coming as sum?
Hmm.
So do you want just think as an analyst? Aurobindo Pharma, it is giving us sum of delivery what? 22,947. Is this the correct picture? That Aurobindo Pharma has the
No,
difference in
no,
delivery?
no, no.
Correct. So what we will use? We will use average. Now, my average, what it is giving? Okay. So this is giving what? Average of difference delivery. So what it is giving? It is giving me the data. Now I don't know. I cannot see the data. What I will do? I will click over here under visual, and I will click on this data level on. Now I am seeing the data. Correct. What is the average or a CIPLA? So in average, CIPLA gives us
Saurabh, I'm
product.
sorry to I'm sorry to
Yeah,
interrupt. Can you just
yeah. Please.
can you just show again like last whatever you actually showed?
Okay, yeah, sure. So when we do the sum,
Okay.
okay. So this is the difference. This is the generally sum is the default thing that a Power BI generally tries to do. Power BI generally tries to sum uh, the data.
Okay. Got
Okay,
it. Yeah.
if it is a numerical data, then Power BI is so intelligent. It is always trying to do some process for us. Okay, so here the the Power BI is trying to do some. Now, if you come over here, you have to take your cursor over this data point or this bar to know what is the content. Am I correct?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, what I will try to do, I don't know what is the data. So, what we do the data labeling.
Okay.
How we do the data labeling? We will click over here,
Uh,
format your visual. We will go over there, here, and we will, if this is off, what we will do, we will try to do this on.
Data levels. Okay.
Now, if you tell me that Aurobindo Pharma is giving us material late by what? 300, 3,000 difference. Is this the correct picture?
Hmm.
No, sir.
Correct. This is not the right picture.
So we have to do the average.
Yes, we have to do the average.
Like average of what, sir?
Average of difference of delivery.
Okay.
Okay.
Now ask yourself what should be the correct measure. My question is which vendor is giving us the maximum or or the difference in delivery majorly. So if I take the average, suppose Aurobindo Pharma or Cipla or whatever they are having, they have this amount of data. Am I correct?
Huh.
Data point they have, and their data. Suppose some is 12 days late, some is 14 days, 15 days late, 13 days late, 15 days late, 16 days left, 17, 18, 19, 20. Likewise, they have suppose highest is 80. Correct? Now, if I do the sum, now if I do the sum, what it is giving us? It is giving us 490 days. So can you say that Aurobindo Pharma is giving late delivery by 490 days, 496 days? No, right?
Nope, sir. Average will give the, I mean,
Yes.
instinct.
If I say average 22, averagely Aurobindo Pharma is giving us material by 22 days late. That is the correct measure.
Hmm.
So what we will do, I will click over here this thing, this drop down, and I will select as average.
Okay.
Now again my data table is not looking very good,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Because of here we have so many negative numbers. My here my y-axis here and my x-axis data is generated over here. Now how will I do the changes?
How
Now
come the
I have to
average is
filter.
negative, Saurabh?
Huh?
How come the average is not negative? I mean, like,
Yeah, here can you see it is negative, right?
yeah, but
Average.
how average can't be negative, right?
Average can't be negative, correct. But what if your every data is in negative?
Okay.
Yeah. Then it will be coming in negative. Absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
Negative in the sense, suppose your fridge, a simple example, in
Mm-hmm.
North Pole, the average average temperature is minus 22 degrees centigrade.
Okay.
How they are arriving this minus 22 degrees centigrade? There is a positive value, there is a negative value. Average can be for positive value, and
Can be
average
also
can be for
negative.
negative value as well.
No, no, this though it's difference in the delivery time, right? So how it went like negative. Okay,
Correct.
if it is
Difference is the
delivered before,
delivery time. Suppose in this data you have negative, these all are negative. Suppose
okay,
this
negative
this
is like delivering before the predicted time, right, sir?
yes, delivery is before the predicted
Okay,
time.
correct, correct. Got it, sir. Got it.
Got it?
Yeah, yep, yep, yep.
Suppose you have this negative value, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and also you have this positive value. What will be the average? Average will be the only 9.5.
Yeah.
What if uh, again you have one negative? What will be your average? See, average has become less. Why? Because minus 24. Now, what if I give it minus 25 as well? Minus 24, minus 25. It is coming 5. Now, what if I give minus? Again, this 27 as well minus, this 28 as well minus, this 29 as well minus. What would it be? Average is minus 4. We have positive data points as well. We have few times where Aurobindo Pharma has given us product late, and maximum our time it is in negative. That means Aurobindo Pharma gave before the scheduled delivery time. Clear this point? Hello,
Yes, Saurabh.
guys, clear, right? Shall I
Yes,
move
Saurabh.
ahead?
Yeah, yes, sure, Saurabh.
Okay. So we are trying to get the what we are trying to get. We are trying to get the vendors, which vendors are giving us the most difference in delivery. So do I need this negative number then, or the numbers where there is no difference in delivery? Do I need this number,
Nope, Saurabh.
Johnny? Hello,
Johnny, are you there?
hello. I think you are speaking on mute.
Yeah, yeah, yes. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Like I was speaking on
Yeah.
you.
So do we need this number, these zeros and negative number? Do we need this number?
No, Saurabh.
Right? Yeah, you don't need Saurabh.
We don't need. Now, how to filter out this?
Can we sort it here?
Yeah, I can do the sorting. So there is a sort axis. See, there is a three dot. I will right click it,
Ah,
and or I will left click it. It will give us the sort axis.
okay.
Sort by which one? Sort if you are trying to sort by average of difference delivery. If I give descending, that is from large value to small value, and if I go ascending, from
Ah.
negative value to positive value. But will this give us the right
No,
picture?
then we have to delete that, right? After
Correct.
like
We
sorting it out, we actually can delete it, or if any filtering option is there from that also we can do it.
correct
Yeah.
filtering option. Very good. We cannot delete data.
Okay.
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 Always
We
remember, deleting data is not the answer. But
okay.
we can do the filtration. How we are doing the filtration? There are some things are there, like average of difference in delivery. First of all, we don't want negative value, right?
Ah,
Then we will click is is not 0. We want the value which is not 0, and
okay.
also we want the value which is
Not less
greater
than zero.
than 0.
Greater than or less than it will be, right?
Let us check less than.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
let us check less than what it is, it will give.
Still, it is coming minus by.
Because what is less than 0? Negative number.
Hmm. Correct.
Correct.
Yeah,
Now, what should it be?
it should be greater than, correct?
Greater than. Very good. Be
Yeah.
confident when you are saying this. It
Hmm.
should always be greater than 0.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Now, my data looks very clean.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Correct. Now it is shaping up to be very clean data.
Okay, so suppose in actually Excel, what it used to happen that filtering option was there, but again, if we are filtering, there was unfiltering option was also there. So here also we can get unfilter option.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whatever we do operation in Excel, Power BI is same and other. It's
Okay.
just thing. There are a couple of things different. There are a couple of things. Okay.
Okay. Got it.
So we don't need so big data.
Hmm.
So what we'll do,
सर
we
वो
will
एक बार करके क्या करके बता सर अनफिल्टर कर एक बार मतलब लाइक लेट अस चेंज द रेंज अगेन एंड लेट्स सी
tell me what should be the range. So this is the clear filter option, the eraser here.
ओके
Now
देन
tell
आई
me
शुड
what do you
डायरेक्टली
want to try, Ismail?
no, nothing sir, that's what like again to unclear that I thought again we have to put the range like all and all, but we have the clear option, right? Just we can
Yes,
click
yes,
it and we
yes,
can
yes,
get back
yes.
it. Okay.
Now Ismail, tell me what should I do here to filter out the data?
That drop down sir, and again you
Yes,
should
yes.
mark
I have to select some filter, right?
yeah
Tell me
is
what should I select?
greater than zero. I mean everything must be greater than zero. We don't need like zero and less than zero. It doesn't I mean speak out anything
Greater
to us.
than zero, correct?
Yes.
That's it.
Hmm.
Yeah.
No, no, we have to filter it out. That like what you said, zero. Like is to can you scroll it after and you have to scroll it
See,
or up.
tell me now. What should I call?
Can you just click on the drop down? Then I will able to see. Yeah,
Okay,
I think last time you were saying is not right.
is not
Is not zero.
is not zero.
Can you apply filter?
But suppose if I don't give this,
Okay.
then what? Suppose I have not given it. Suppose greater than zero.
Hmm.
Now apply filter is coming here, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
It is also giving us the same
Exact value.
value.
Yeah.
That means greater than zero will give us the correct value.
Hmm.
Correct?
Yeah.
Like in math, there are so many ways to prove one statement.
Hmm.
Similarly, in Power BI, you can use various ways to give one output.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
if this way works, then other way also will work. You can create some DAX or you can create some formula, and if you do this formula, automatically it will give you this kind of value. Okay,
Correct.
but always remember one thing. Point number 4, we try to minimize DAX formulas. Now, what is DAX? What do you mean by DAX?
I don't know.
Data analysis X means I don't know. Data analysis. What is DEX? Let me check. Ma'am, I forgot actually. DEX full form.
Data analysis expressions.
Correct. Data analysis expression. So DAX means data analysis expression. So we always try to minimize data analysis DAX formulas. Now why that we will come on later area. Why we always want to minimize DAX formulas. There are few ways you can do only by playing with this filter, so we don't necessarily do everything on dex,
Okay.
but dex is a very beautiful language and we will learn it to enhance our visualization. So this first part is finished.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sipla, Aurobindo, Abbott.
Hmm.
Now what is the next part?
Saurabh, I'm sorry to interrupt. I believe
Yeah.
this video is recording, right?
Yes, this video is recording.
Okay, great then.
Okay, this video is recording. Now, just one moment.
Sure.
Now, next thing is which countries. Similarly, we will select the here. What I did just like before. I just click over here, Control C, Control V, just like Excel. Control C, Control V, Control Z means undo.
Undo.
Here it is undo there. Similarly, Control Z, undo. Right? Control C, Control V.
Oh, amazing.
Okay. So now what I will do, I will take the no. Okay. So average or difference delivery by vendor, is this a good looking? What is my this person? If someone comes over here, what he will understand? He will not understand anything. So I will change the title.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
Title should be simpler. Okay. So late delivery by
Overview.
vendors.
Okay. So can you say in that title that overview, uh, overview of the late delivery, that also will work? I don't know. I'm asking. Just.
Overview of late delivery.
Huh?
Yeah, it will work. By late delivery by whom?
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay, overview by late delivery. But late delivery by whom? By
Exactly.
vendor.
Right. Right. So we have to concise it, right? So we should not.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Understood.
See, we can give the page name like late delivery
Listen.
analysis.
Okay.
Okay, here since I give the name as late delivery analysis,
Hmm.
everything should be about late delivery. So my
Okay.
late delivery by vendors. Now what I will see? I will see the late delivery by countries. So instead of vendors, everything is set. I will select only country.
Oh, that's really fascinating.
So मेरा country निकल गया.
Hmm.
Now what I will change? I will change the title. Now, okay. So since this is a bar chart, I think I will go for the this pie chart or donut chart. I have selected donut chart. I will come over here. I will remove the legend over here. I will click on this detail labeled and label contents. I will what I will give? I will give category and data value.
Saurabh, I'm sorry to interrupt you. I have one question. So, how would I know that what to use in the chart? So we need to
Excellent question.
understand that what data we are presenting, and accordingly we have to use that what it is looks good or not. We have to
Excellent question.
use our
Excellent question.
own like own analysis paralysis, or we have to just understand what business is exactly needed.
See, few data points or charts have their own meaning. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose pie chart pie chart is always good on two condition. Condition number one,
Hmm.
pie chart for pie chart my data points or my content should be less.
Okay.
Should be less means what? It should be concise up to five category.
Okay.
Here, what is the how many category? One, two, three,
Three,
four, five.
five. Huh?
Up to five category, it should be concise.
Okay.
Second point, with pie chart, we are trying to show the percentage of grand total.
Okay.
Now, where pie chart is applicable, where pie chart should be done, pie chart can be done in some scenario like just give me a moment. I am thinking of an example. Mm, 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 mm. Like this, like here, this example. So we have this delivery, correct? We have this late delivery by countries, correct?
Huh.
Now, from here, we can get the countries.
Okay.
Like under this late delivery, which countries are contributing the most?
Hmm.
Which countries are contributing the most?
Congo.
Can you see Congo is the most one?
Yeah. Yeah. Congo DRC.
If yeah, if you take this as 100%, Congo is 54%. Second
Hmm.
is Togo. Third is Benin.
Hmm.
Fifth, fourth is Senegal, and
Hmm.
the last one is Kenya. So under 100%, 100% of the late delivery. What
Okay.
this chart actually is saying to us,
Hmm.
out of 100% of late delivery, Congo is taking the majority,
Yeah. Yeah.
54%.
Yeah. Correct.
And for your query, that on which chart should I use when?
Hmm.
For that comprehensive detail, I will give you a template. It's a general template. Okay. This thing you can use while preparing any dashboard.
Okay.
Like which
Rounded one.
things which things will be using where.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah. 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 Got it.
I will give you guys this. Don't worry. I will give you the detail.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I have got it my countries.
Hmm.
Now Shipment difference in delivery, shipment fulfillment. Okay, what is shipment fulfillment? Can we check over here what is mean by shipment fulfillment? Uh, 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 uh. Fulfilled via acha, direct drop and RDC, not this one. Secondary input term. Okay. I don't know. I think shipment fulfillment meaning this managed by or this via direct drop or via RDC. So we have only two data points, so it won't give us a correct picture. If I take over this as well, it won't give us the correct picture. Let me show you guys. Average difference W minus 3 minus 8. Oh, it is coming as minus. That means what it means that see here maximum delivery is in coming in minus. Here also it is coming in minus. That means what? That means have you seen this thing that we have tried to previously use?
Average.
Average.
Yeah.
So what it means, RDC has so many data points where we have negative as well and positive as well.
Positive as well.
But
Correct.
my negative value is greater than my positive value. So
Hmm.
obviously my average is coming as negative.
Negative. Correct. Yeah.
Same goes for here. Clear this thing. Why it is coming as negative?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So fulfill VR don't give us the correct picture. Whether in this direct drop there is a lag or there is a difference, or this direct from RDC also there is a difference. It don't give us a clear picture because if I select this is greater than 0, that means my difference of delivery should be greater than 0. That means there should have some gap of delivery from schedule to delivered. But when I select this, my there is no data. That means there is no data in this fulfill via where my delivery is greater than 0. Okay, so this point will not give us a correct picture. Clear this point? Why we can use this, guys?
Yes. 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 Yes, Saurabh. Got it. Understood.
Ismail, clear why we can use this?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. See, if you don't understand or if you are feeling boring, just tell me. I will change
No, no,
the.
not boring at all. We are
Oh,
enjoying.
okay. So first, then next, second is manufacturers. Now for manufacturers, why I have used this? Why cannot I use this? I can also use this, right? Let us check. Which
No,
gives
the
us the
reason is that we cannot use the donut chart or pie chart. The data is big. Okay. And
correct,
when the data is big, so we will not get the proper view, proper
correct,
understanding.
correct, correct, correct,
Okay.
correct, correct,
Yeah.
correct. Great. Okay, one, two, three. Okay, okay. So this gives us a different picture. So Cipla Limited, this vendor is having so much delivery, difference in delivery, and this Ranbaxy or this Patna Sahib, Ranbaxy Patna Sahib, Susan Pharma. This thing, this majority of delivery is Ranbaxy per Sesun Pharma. These are the manufacturers which gives us the late delivery. Now, I will show you something cool. I will show you guys something cool. First of all, click over here, click over any chart. In this above, can you see format?
Yeah.
I will click on this format.
Okay.
There is called edit interaction.
Okay.
I will click on this edit interaction. Can you see two things have popped up?
Hmm. But in the first chart, it is not coming.
It is not coming. Why? Because I have click on this chart and
Okay.
then I have
Okay.
click on the edit interaction.
Got it. Yeah.
Now under this two popped up
क्यों
thing.
सौरभ वो एक और बार बताओ why we can't do that?
Sorry.
Why we can't, like, what did you tell just now? We can't.
Okay. So one thing we can see, or one thing I will show you guys. First of all, click on this particular chart. Go above here. There is a format. Click on the edit interaction. Select here filter and also select here filter. Now uncheck it. Now click on this.
How it does happen?
Mm-hmm.
This is called the interactivity. This is the beauty of Power BI.
Yeah.
No, that is fine. But the data we have taken for delivery by vendor is different. Delivery by countries are different. Delivery by manufacturers are different. But how is it linked with the first chart or second chart or third chart? How it is coming?
Okay, how it is coming.
The question is logical, or like I'm asking some abrupt.
No, 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 no. You are asking no question is illogical. You are
Okay.
very curious and you just ask me the right question.
Okay.
So
Thank you.
delivery by vendors. Okay. Now delivery by countries. Now delivery by manufacturers. Okay. Now I have select what Cipla Limited. Let us filter on only Cipla Limited. Can you see how many sites are there for Cipla? Cipla Limited is coming in how many countries?
Mm-hmm.
Cameroon, Cameroon. Now, if I want to check how many countries, I will just select this and count it, count distinct. Can you see from this manufacturing site, the Cipla MIDC Mahar India, right? How to read this? My vendor is Cipla. My manufacturing site is this. How many countries this product is going? Three countries. My Cipla is vendor. My manufacturing site is Goa. How many countries it is going? 14
14.
countries.
Hmm.
From Kurkumb, India, four countries. From Sipla, Ganga, it is going for six countries.
Hmm.
Now, clear how these are interlinked.
No,
My
still not
vendors,
clear to me.
yeah,
So see, now you presented the data with that table, right? So my
correct,
question is like first, like whatever we had updated in delivery by vendors, the chart was
mhm,
created. Only we have taken the data for like vendors, correct?
correct, correct.
In the second chart we have taken only for the countries, and the third chart we have only taken the data for many manufacturers. So that is what my point is like. Okay, so now I understood. Now if we are using the Power BI, whatever the charts are there in the page 1 or page 2, whatever it is, so it will be linked, right? So whatever we will be using, it will be linked. Is that correct?
It will be linked. It will be linked, and it will give us the interactivity.
Okay, got it.
See now from here, what I am trying to do. See, now you know that which vendors is given you the
uh,
biggest headache. Which
uh,
vendor? This vendor.
uh,
Do
uh.
you know how many countries this vendor is giving product?
No, okay, got it. And now I understood. Ismail, you understood?
Yeah, yeah, yes, yes.
Okay, great.
Correct.
Now, if I select on this,
Hmm.
that means my late delivery is going only on South Africa,
Hmm.
100%.
Hmm. Hmm.
What is the average of late delivery? It is 14.85.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
What is the average delivery? It is 5.8.
Hmm. Hmm. Got it.
Now, if I see here, average the highest average delivery is what? It is Congo.
Hmm.
But why it is giving me South Africa as late delivery 14.855? Very
Because
simple.
Cipla they not daily delivered to Congo. They daily
Correct.
delivered to South Africa. Like
Yes, Cipla
whatever
is,
countries they
yeah,
daily delivered, out of that South Africa is the highest. Is that correct?
correct, correct. South Africa late delivery, it is what it is doing Power BI in backend. It is aggregating every late delivery by Cipla, and it is showing us by countries.
Hmm. Hmm.
Now delivery by manufacturer. So from which manufacturing site? It is the Goa.
Hmm.
Okay. So this is not actually the manufacturers. It should be the manufacturing site. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we will do the last one. Which items? Okay, which items? I will click over here and I will paste it over here. Now I will check the item. Can you help me? What should be the item? Shipment mode, subclassification, molecule test type, item value, item
Line item.
fulfillment, line item. It is in. This is actually okay. Let us check by product group. I think product group will be good. Item means product group. Let us check. We will do this thing. Oh, product group. It is not giving us the late delivery. It is giving us the everything in positive.
Hmm.
That means everything it is late. No, sorry, everything is
Everything is in
early.
negative, Saurav. Yeah, everything is
Yeah,
everything
everything
is
is negative.
negative. Yeah.
It is not giving us clear picture. That means our data, it is same data, similar data that is having that. But let us check one thing. Ah, so it is not giving us the clear picture over here, like which product group. But when I click over here, it is giving me the data for late delivery. That means if I take it as a directly individual chart, this delivery by delivery, late delivery based on product group will not give me the correct picture. But if I take the account of the late delivery by vendors, then it will give me the correct picture, because ARV is having the product group. ARV is having the average of difference delivery 7.24 by this vendor. This product is having a late delivery of 4.78. Okay. So today we are doing the analysis of this late delivery brand. Now packaging. What is there any correlation between packaging? Let us check whether it is giving us the clear picture of packaging or not. One thing, guys, we must acknowledge and ensure that not everything data will be ready made. Something you have to just do the analysis from your own, like whichever, which is what thing is getting good and what thing is getting bad. Okay, which analysis is giving me good expression or good result, and which analysis is giving me bad result. Bad result meaning not well inference from the visualization. Now let us check the package. Is there anything by package dosage form? Let us check in the data if we have anything. Okay, sorry.
You can search it na package.
Okay. Yeah, we can always search, but I don't think there is a dosage. I think, have I checked this package or dosage? Okay, packaging is there. Like what is the unit of measurement? Acha, per pack, line item, pack price, and weight in kilogram, freight cost. Package, package size. Okay, let us check. Line item value, line item quantity, and unit of measure per pack. That is, okay, 60, 120. Okay, so these are a numerical value, unit of measure. These are a numerical value. Okay, unit of measure. unit of measure, and this difference in delivery is also a numerical value. We have two numerical values to uh, derive something, right, guys?
Yeah.
Now, in these charts, one was categorical data, one was numerical data. Okay, do you know what is categorical data, what is numerical data?
Yeah, numerical data means like it should be the number, and
Okay,
categorical data means like the category will be there, like uh, suppose the name of item, or like something, whatever. Is that
any
correct?
simpler term? Smile, can you say that? What is the what should be the simpler way to say that what is categorical data? Johnny, whatever you said, it is correct. But I want a very simpler name.
Okay.
Very simple. It
Data
is very simple.
pertaining to any sub, I mean, any particular heading kind of thing.
No, you are halfway correct. Categorical data is nothing but strings
Okay.
or textual data.
Textual data. Okay, got it.
Okay, it is very easy,
Yep.
Yeah, yeah. Textual data.
right? Textual data.
Yeah.
This is a question. This will ask in interview. Like, what do you mean by categorical data? What do you mean by numerical data?
Yeah. So
How do you
numerical.
plot categorical data with numerical data?
नहीं
Then
वो
you will say, we
पाइथन में
can
देखा
plot.
तो सौरभ वो लेकिन मेरे को लगा यहाँ पे तुम नंबर्स के थ्रू पूछ रहे हो वरना मेरे को
No,
पता
no,
था
no,
ये
no.
चीज
Yeah,
कैटेगरिकल डेटा इज सर्टेन आई मीन pertaining to strings
correct.
not
So,
num function.
yeah. So if they ask you how you will interview question, how you will plot categorical data and numerical data. Simple. You can plot horizontal bar chart. This is called horizontal bar chart, cluster bar chart, and this is clustered column chart. Column means it looks like column. Bar means it look like bar, right?
Okay. So what is the short form of numerical data? Whatever you said, sir.
I don't think there is any short form for numerical data. Numerics, there are some people use slang numeric, some people use slang string. String data, numeric data.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now, very interesting topic. How do we plot or how do we check two numerical data? Any idea?
How we can check two numerical data? Okay. So you are talking about in which chart we have to use. Is that correct?
Yes. How do you represent numerical data? हम लोग कैसे represent करेंगे? How do we present numerical data?
Numerical data we have to represent through pie chart,
No. Good try. Ismail?
line chart.
No. Line chart is different. Ismail, can you say?
Mm,
I
Don't
think.
use Google.
no, no,
Just
no,
say.
no.
So we can use donut chart.
No. Okay,
Gauge.
guys. Okay. There is only one way to check numerical data. Two numerical data. There is only one way to check two numerical data.
Clustered bar chart.
Nope. That is called scatter chart.
Scatter chart. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Scatter chart is a very interesting chart. Often it gives us very good insight, and often it do not gives us any good insight. Now let us check whether scatter chart can give us a good insight or not. So we will plot what we will plot. We will plot the difference of delivery in x-axis, and we will plot, sorry, in y-axis, and we will plot the pack size where it is unit per price. Okay, just let me check what is that. Unit of measure. Okay. Unit of measure. Unit of measure per pack. Okay. Now, what should be my value? I will come to that later part. I say that do not summarize. Now again, do not summarize. Any good inference, any good correlation? I guess no.
No.
Why I'm saying no? Suppose for this I need the white background video. Okay, so I think we will stop for today. Okay, so this was getting quite interesting. We will stop for today and we will pick up tomorrow same time 10:30 or 11:30 or 10 o'clock, whatever time you feel, and we will go through scatter chart.
sort of ये डबल, I mean डबल बार चार्ट ही, I mean ये कौन सा क्लस्टर बार चार्ट ही बेटर रिप्रेजेंट करेगा ना स्कैटर से मतलब जब कंपेयर करेंगे
How tell me how?
इंडिविजुअल कंपैरिजन, आई मीन बार लेंथ से पता चल जाएगा ना कि कौन सी चीज कहाँ तक जा रही है, मतलब ऊपर की नीचे। स्कैटर में तो मतलब एक एक चीज को ढूंढना भी पड़ेगा ना, पॉइंट, आई मीन पॉइंट्स एंड ऑल। जस्ट मेरा
See,
व्यू सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक नॉट यही करेक्ट है
yeah,
ऐसा नहीं।
yeah, yeah, perfectly fine. You guys can see in this class we all are trying our hands and we are doing as an analyst or as a thing we are going, because in your work or in your work project everywhere else, let me just stop sharing. See, in your work project or in your uh, place, wherever you are, nothing will be given as nothing will be, what can I say? Nothing will be as simple as that. कि just कुछ हो गया, just I have given something and I just something is there and we are just doing
ब्लाइंडली
this
फॉलोइंग दैट, या
analysis. Okay, nothing is given. We will try our hands. We will do the trial and error. Okay, we will do the trial and error, and we will try to do this thing together so that you will know how to do things or how to apply your knowledge. If I give you some sort of similar simple exercise where I am coming and I am giving you this chart, okay, this is the chart meaning, this meaning, then you guys not understand or you will not get the intuition like how to do this, how to do that. Okay, so together we will see and together we will find what is the best approach. Okay guys, clear?
यस
Yes,
सर।
yes.
Yeah, we will do this and we will uh, we will do this and we will try to do this uh, often, and we will take our hands on practice. We will do everything by doing it with our own hand, and we will try this, and we will see how to do this, how to do that. Okay guys, that should
श्योर
be
सर,
the thing. Okay, and we will see tomorrow.
श्योर।
Sure, sir.
Okay, we will see tomorrow how to do this, how to do that.
ओके,
Sure, sir.
Okay, yeah,
श्योर।
yeah.
So, Saurabh, we would need this recording after this class so we can
विल
practice.
पोस्ट।
Okay, so Do one thing. Can you write down your email ID
Sure.
in the chat box?
Okay. Just now I pinged.
Yeah, in the chat box, in call messages or
Here.
okay. Okay, I will take it from here.
Okay.
And how about you, Ismail?
Yeah, 1 minute, sir. Mail ID, right, sir?
Yes, yes, mail ID.
So, sort of the previous video what was uploaded in YouTube, the video was kind of blur. Okay, so I
Okay.
think it will be great if we actually can check you know our video if before posting on YouTube. So that can be, I think, help. So apart from
Okay,
us,
guys. I
anyone
have
is
given you
required.
one.
Yeah,
I have given you one link. Can you check this? Can you check that link if it is working for you?
let me check. Let me check. Yeah, I think here it is looks quite fine, sort of.
Ismail, for you as well.
1 minute, sir. लाइक चैट में भेजा ना सर आपने?
यस, ये व्हाट्सएप चैट में है। आप एक बार देखो काम कर रहा है क्या। Any difference in delivery?
Yeah, I guess it's working, sir.
Working, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I think we have not saved it. No worries, we will do it now.
It's working.
Let us wait for Ismail.
Ismail join, I think.
I mean,
Okay, so it is quite clear, am I guess? I guess.
Yes, Saurabh. For me, it is clear. How about Ismail?
Recording is
clear,
quite
clear,
good,
sir.
right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Going
okay.
good.
Okay, guys, then.
Yeah.
Okay, bye
Yeah.
bye.
Thank you so much. And in actually, I wish you all like so আমাদের যে বেঙ্গলি নববর্ষ না সৌরভ so
হ্যাঁ, বেঙ্গলি নববর্ষ।
अरे मेरे को चाइनीज फिल्म लगेगा भाई, तुम दोनों
অনেক অনেক
बंगाली
শুভেচ্ছা।
काम करेगा।
Ismail, this is Bengali language, so I
हाँ,
know actually Bengali language,
मेरे
and
को फिर चाइनीज फिल्म लगेगा, तुम दोनों बंगाली में बकैत करना शुरू करेगा।
no, no, no. So the thing is that you have New Year, right? You guys have New Year in Karnataka.
Yeah, yeah.
So today is for our side. It is New Year.
Oh, nice. Nice,
Bengali.
nice.
Okay. So yeah,
You, I mean, currently you both guys are in West Bengal only or like Bangalore?
Yes.
yeah, this side only.
Kolkata.
Okay, both work from home, huh?
Yes.
Nice, bro.
You will also do work from home. Okay,
No
don't worry.
issues. Sooner, hope for good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We will. I will train you in such a way, or I will share some tips and tricks. It will very much help with you guys.
Yeah,
And
sure.
Ismail, you try to upload your CV. I will just have
Yeah,
a
yeah.
look.
हम्म, yes, sir.
Okay, I will
Tomorrow,
just have
like
a look.
सौरभ, कल आमलान के साथ बैठ के सब एडिटिंग करके फिर like will, I mean, share. कल क्लास है, मतलब आमलान के साथ I will get connected for some time for LinkedIn profile, Naukri profile, and this also.
Okay, great,
Okay.
good.
Then I guess like even आमलन ने एक दो जगह I mean sort भी किया है कि यहाँ यहाँ अप्लाई करना है. So mostly I'll I mean it will be done by tomorrow. I mean Monday.
Okay,
Sorry, Monday
okay.
morning or Monday evening.
Okay, okay, yeah,
Evening I will
no
be
issue,
with
no issue.
or bigger.
You just you okay, you no issue. You just paste your CV. I will have a look at it. Okay,
Sure. Sure.
okay, okay, guys. Bye, bye.
Okay. Yeah.
Right.
Thank you
I
so
will
much.
see you guys tomorrow. Okay,
Sure.
Tata.
Yeah.
Thank you.